Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Marietta, Georgia, which is northwest of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Toya Johnson. Welcome to this stunning European, traditional-style home located in the heart of Marietta's coveted Castlebrook neighborhood. This 8-bedroom, 5 full baths and 2 half baths home is sure to meet your dream home checklist. The front courtyard, boasting a 3-car garage and impeccable landscaping, is only a preview of the beauty that awaits you. The 2-story foyer opens up to the dining room, office space and great room areas, and overlooks the gorgeous wood and wrought iron curved stairway and upper balcony passage. This show-stopping home features beautiful craftsmanship, oversized windows, a butler's pantry, wet bar, a lovely updated kitchen with built-in stainless appliances, breakfast bar and breakfast nook, as well as a full finished basement. There is no shortage of space with your gym room, media room, glam room, den and additional bonus rooms. The oversized owner's suite boasts a sitting room, his/hers closets, ensuite with dual vanities and a luxurious whirlpool tub. Ample outdoor living space with an oversized deck, an extended concrete patio area and privacy fence as you exit your daylight basement. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect.